We are factorizing fully. That means we break each term into factors, then take out what is common. Question 1. I can see that 18 and 42 can be divided by 6. So 18 6 becomes 6 times 3 times x, and 42 becomes 6 times 7. We see 6 is a common factor. Put it in front of brackets. What has been left? For first term, 3x, and for the second term, 7. Final answer is 6 times 3x plus 7 in brackets. Question 2. 6x cubed minus 9. Let's rewrite each term. I can see that each term can be divided by 3. So 6x cubed is 3 times 2 times x cubed. And minus 9 is minus 3 times 3. 3 is the highest common factor. Put it in front of the brackets. What has been left? 2x cubed minus 3. Don't forget about minus. Question 3. Again, let's rewrite each term. Both numbers can be divided by 8. So 24x becomes 8 times 3 times x, and 40 becomes 8 times 5. 8 is in common. Put it in front of brackets. And for the first term, 3x has been left. And for the second one, just 5. So final answer is 8 times brackets, 3x plus 5 inside. Question 4. It's a bit longer one, but principle is the same. All three numbers can be divided by 7. So I will rearrange. 14x becomes 7 times 2, still times x. 21 is 7 times 3, and 35 is 7 times 5. Final answer is 7 brackets 2x plus 3 plus 5. Question 5. 12 plus 8x. Both numbers can be divided by 4. So 12 becomes 4 times 3, and 8 becomes 4 times 2, and still times x. So 4 is in common, goes in front of the bracket. What has been left? 3 first term and 2x for the second term. That is final answer. 4 times brackets 3 plus 2x inside. Question 6. 20x plus 12. Both numbers can be divided by 4. So 20x becomes 4 times 5 and still times x, and 12 becomes 4 times 3. 4 is in common. Put 4 in front of the brackets, times, and inside the brackets, we're going to write down what has been left, 5x plus 3. Question 7, a bit more complicated because we also have x's in both terms. So let's have a look. 12 and 8 can be divided by 4. So 12 becomes 4 times 3. X squared means x times x. What about 8? 8 becomes 4 times 2 and still times x. So what is in common? 4 times x. Both terms. So 4x goes in front of the bracket. What has been left? For the first term, 3x plus second term, just 2. Question 8. 49x plus 21x squared. So we have x's for both terms, and both numbers can be divided by 7. So let me rearrange. 49x becomes 7 times x. What about 21x squared? 21 becomes 7 times 3, and x squared becomes x times x. So now let's have a look what is in common. Highest common factor is 7x for both terms. So 7x goes in front of the bracket. Inside the brackets, we're writing down what has been left. 7 for first term and plus 3x for the second term. Done. Always show the breakdown first. Then take out the common factor. That's how you secure every mark. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If there are topics you are struggling with, please write in comments and wait for new videos.